So what's up guys, my name is Eric and I'm going to share to you my final thoughts of the Gopro Max. So we all know that this camera was introduced back in October alongside with the Hero 8 and was released in November. So now after a month of having this camera, I'm going to share to you the features and the ups and downs of this 360 camera. Start! So first off, I'm going to talk about the main feature of this device, the dual lens 360 camera. Having the capability of capturing 360 footages and photo, the GoPro Max is also equipped with one of, or even the best stabilization in an action cam for any camera, the Max Hypersmooth. Even on intense vibration, the Max Hypersmooth incredibly handled it, avoiding a very shaky footage. As seen in this comparison, you can see the difference how stabilized the footage from the GoPro Max with Max Hypersmooth against any device with normal optical or digital stabilization. The GoPro Max captures a 5.6K 360 video at 30 FPS and also at 1080p at 60 FPS on either of the two lenses for the Hero mode. You can also capture an awesome 360 time warp, a regular time warp, or time lapse with the GoPro Max. Like the Hero 8 Black, on the regular time warp you can set the speed to automatic, in which the camera will auto adjust according to your speed, or set the speed manually on your preference. Also, by tapping a button on the screen you can set from time warp speed to real time speed. You can even capture a 360 photo, a max super view photo, or even a 270-degree power panel. Now I'm gonna talk about the downside of the camera. The 360 footage is only maxed out at 30 FPS of frame rate, while the 1080p on Hero mode is only maxed out at 60 FPS of frame rate. It would have been better if the 360 video is maxed out at 60 FPS, and for the 1080p on to 40 FPS or even just at 120 FPS, which is very ideal on getting slow-mo footages. Another downside is the quality of footage or photo taken underwater. As you can see here, the quality of the video is not as good as the Hero series, and taking 360 video underwater is not even ideal for the GoPro Max. Using a fishbowl and taking 360 videos underwater for the GoPro Max is very ideal though. And for taking photos for the GoPro Max, on Hero mode, the photos are only maxed out at 5 megapixels worth of resolution, and there's no even HDR for the GoPro Max. There are also some visible bad stitchings on some of my 360 photos, but it's not a big deal breaker. Just reframe it and you're good to go. And now we're gonna talk about the microphones of the GoPro Max. There are 6 microphones inside this 360 action camera as what GoPro claims, which also includes noise and wind reduction on all 6 microphones, perfect for 360 videos. But that feature doesn't work pretty well, since it still can even capture a lot of noise or even wind around the GoPro Max. The microphones won't even capture much of your voice when the camera is far enough from you, just like the sample clip that I took from my previous vlog. Now let's talk about the touchscreen and the user interface of the GoPro Max. Unlike the GoPro Fusion before, the Max comes with a front-facing touchscreen. Although you wouldn't need a touchscreen for taking 360 photos or videos, the touchscreen can still be useful in taking selfies using the front-facing camera or even for your vlogs. With its user-friendly interface, using the GoPro Max made easy by putting shortcuts to the screen for easy video recording or taking photos, and you can even review the media taken with the Max using the touchscreen. But the touchscreen is quite small that, for the users with big fingers like mine, it'd be annoying using the touchscreen, but soon enough you'll get used to it. The GoPro Max is also equipped with a voice command feature, in which you can use recognizable voice commands for the GoPro Max to take photos and videos, or even turning off the device just like this. GoPro turn off. And also, I'm gonna talk about the structure design, the battery, and the accessories available for the GoPro Max. Just like the Hero 8 Black, the GoPro Max is also built with a rugged, rubberized, and waterproof body. You can swim with the GoPro Max up to 5 meters deep underwater. It also has folding fingers at the bottom, so you can easily attach it at any mounts that are compatible with the GoPro Max. For the downside on the design and the structure of the camera, are these two lenses are so bulged out of the body that an extra care would be needed if you decide not to put on the lens protective covers that the GoPro Max came with. The Max is powered by a 1600 mAh battery, which can provide more than an hour worth of 360 footage recording. A bigger battery like the Fusion's 2700 plus mAh would have been better, knowing the Max has 2 cameras and 6 microphones. But nothing to worry now, since GoPro just released a dual battery charger plus battery package for the GoPro Max. It might be another pain for our pockets, but I think it's worth buying it. As for the accessories, there is a wide range of accessories from mounts to tripods to monopods that are compatible with the GoPro Max. Although a GoPro Max housing would have been better for a deeper water depth or better protection for the GoPro Max. Just like this third-party GoPro Max housing that I found in one of the online stores. And that concludes my review of the GoPro Max. So now, what do you think? Is the GoPro Max worth it?
This camera right here is more expensive than the Hero 8 Black. Well, if you're gonna include the mods for the Hero 8 Black, it could be more expensive than the GoPro Max. You would ask yourself, why would I get the GoPro Max? For my opinion, this is my opinion, I would go for the GoPro Max. Why? It has 360 camera. It has 2 cameras. And unlike the Fusion before, you can easily reframe 360 footages or photos through the mobile app, the GoPro mobile app. And of course, this GoPro Max right here also has some features like the Hero 8 Black has. You also will get the Max Hypersmooth, the horizon leveling. When paired together, it will provide you with the most stabilized footages, more than any other action cameras can produce. I could say that this camera right here can be a game changer for any other action cameras or even 360 cameras out there. So what do you think? You know, Christmas is just around the corner. Are you gonna reward yourself with just a simple gift, or GoPro Max, or an Hero 8 Black? It's for you to decide. So let me know in the comment section below if this video have helped you in going with the GoPro Max. Till next time guys, peace.